here we got a priority order that's going to LA for Julian, and it has everything from our Brovi brand. So here we have a rustic chestnut. It's great for Eastern European and Mediterranean skin. You'll get most natural result. Doesn't matter the technique, or shading or hair stroke. Then we got 2 of cinnamon sticks. It's a light yellow based blonde shade, perfect for Celtic, Nordic, and Eastern European skin, a bit more light. This pigment is suitable for shading technique as well. And then we got freckle. Freckle suitable for very light pale skin, and with freckles, perfect for red-haired girls and can be used as a corrector. Also want to remind you that we have a gift for you. If you order a Brovi set, you get a free diluter.